Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a 70 HEMI Challenger. This thing's already got real rider tires. Don't really like the color. I think we can do something better about that. And I think I'm going to put a real engine, not a real engine, but a more lifelike engine in there than what's in there right now. So let's go ahead and get started. Went ahead and drilled it and stripped it. And this is what we got to work with. Windshield, body, interior, base, and body. Alright, so I went ahead and cut the little mock engine that was in there, block. I cut that out. So, left me a little hole there, but it doesn't matter. It's not going to hurt us any. Not worried about it. I just took my snippers and snipped that right off. They're easy to do. So that's out of here, and we'll find us an engine and make it look a whole lot better. I'm going to leave those tires alone. Those tires are pretty awesome. I'm going to leave them alone. We're going to be working on the body. So we're going to go ahead and take this to the paint shop and give her a paint job, and we'll be right back. We're out of the paint shop. Came back looking pretty good. Put some stickers on it. So all we got to do now is put it back together. Be right back. We started with this. And we finished up with this. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you already haven't. Click the notification bell for future videos. Appreciate your comments. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you later.